Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to ask you guys what you think about the courthouses in Jamaica. Now recently there's been a lot of discussion about the state of the courthouses. I remember hearing once lawyers were saying the bathroom facilities at the courthouse was below par. I've heard a lot of different things about these courthouses, the condition of the courthouses, and they have over 60 courtrooms in Jamaica. So guys, what do you think about the courthouses? Now, I got a ticket the other day and I had to go to court, and the building that the court was in was an old building, but the inside of the courtroom was actually very nice. It had AC, but the facilities outside of the courtroom were, I would say, could use some fixing up. So recently, the Chief Justice in Jamaica stated that the government or the Ministry of Finance should give the courts money directly, bypassing the Ministry of Justice, to fix the courtrooms, to fix the courthouses. And so guys, what do you think of that? The ministry, how it works now is the money is given to the Ministry of Justice. The Ministry of Justice then appropriates the money towards what needs to be done. And not enough goes to the fixing of the courthouses. That is why they are in the state they're in. So the Chief Justice is saying send the money directly to the courts and they will fix the courthouses. I guess they would appropriate it different because it's just the courts that they deal with. The Ministry of Justice has a lot of different entities to deal with. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this suggestion. So guys, let me know what you think. Very interesting topic, because I've noticed the government is fixing police stations, they're building police stations, they're doing an excellent job. Tax offices, billions being spent on tax offices. But I can't, and hospitals, they are rebuilding the hospitals in Jamaica. I can't remember hearing though of any major expenditure or any major projects to build courthouses. And another thing I've noticed with these courthouses is some of them are very old, like 18th century old. I don't know why. For instance, in St. Thomas, oh no, they're building new courthouses at the urban center in St. Thomas. But the courthouse they were using before was built from like the 1800s. So maybe that is part of the reason why the facilities are not that great. But we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what the Chief Justice is suggesting. Chief Justice Brian Sykes has advocated for the Jamaican judiciary to gain direct oversight of its budget, asking Parliament to adopt a model where the judiciary manages its own expenditures. This proposal arises from concerns over the conditions of the country's 60 courts and the limited budget currently available to maintain them. Sykes pointed to examples in Guyana and Kenya where the judiciary has more autonomy over its funding, including the capacity to acquire land, develop infrastructure, and manage financial accountability to Parliament. In response, Justice Minister Delroy Chuck expressed reservations, highlighting the challenge of limited funds for capital projects. He noted that Jamaica's capital expenditures, including those for courthouses, hospitals, and prisons, often depend on borrowing or public-private partnerships. According to Chuck, the Court Administration Division was established to reduce reliance on the Ministry of Justice for court management and maintenance. He stressed that any shift in budgetary control would need to be carefully considered, especially given the compensation for limited resources. So, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But at the end of the day, whichever way they decide to go, Jamaica needs new, modern courthouses. New, modern courthouses. Alright, guys. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.